In this video, you are going to looking at the unboxing, setup, features and some photo samples of the Realme 11x 5G mobile. This mobile cost around 14,000 rupees at the time of recording this video. The main reason why I am buying this mobile is this one comes to under 15,000 rupees. To test whether it is worth it or not for this price, I bought this mobile. After opening the box, there is a small box is there. Let's see what we get inside. There is a TPU case given along with a SIM ejector pin and some paperwork which includes a warranty and user manual. Come to the quality of the case, it's okay but not premium. You need to buy another one compulsory. Next, we have the mobile. Below the mobile, a cable and charger are provided. It's a Type A to Type C cable that can be used for charging and data transfer. Coming to the charger, it's a 33 watts SuperVOOC one that charges 1 to 50% in just 29 minutes according to the advertisement. It's a great thing that they provided the fast charger in the box. Some other mobiles won't get chargers in this price range. Let's wrap out the cover and check how was the mobile. After removing the plastic cover, I observed that there was a pre-applied screen guard is there. The back is made up of plastic and the color is also good. It's looking like a gradient fill color. My first impression after holding this mobile is it's light in weight. Even though this one is packed with a 5000 mAh battery, the overall weight distribution is simply amazing. Let's turn on the mobile. In meantime, let's have a quick look at the overview of this mobile. On the left, the volume up and down button is there, followed by a fingerprint cum power on or off button is there. On the bottom, the speaker grill, Type-C slot, noise cancellation mic and 3.5mm headphone jack are there. On the left, the SIM tray is there. On the back, there are two cameras in a big rounded cutout. Inside that, one dual tone flash is there. The overall side frame is built with aluminum in this mobile. On the front, a single camera is there. This mobile comes with an IPS LCD panel with a maximum refresh rate of 120Hz. Let's add the back case to it and check how it looks like. Looking good, but this case only helps to not accumulate dust inside the mobile followed by accidental scratches. Cutouts are also good. Coming to the setup, just follow the on-screen instructions which option I am selecting and not selecting. Now let's check the SIM tray type, whether it's a proper 2+1 or hybrid slot. This is a proper dual SIM plus micro SD card slot. Coming to the setup process, now it's asking for a Wi-Fi connection. If you want, you can, otherwise you can skip this step. This is supported for both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Now it is asking for a security lock. Skip it. These options are even available after complete setup. Now the setup is completed. Let's check the software version and security patch that this mobile comes with. This one comes with Realme UI 4 with Android 13 and the security patch is in August. Now September has also released. Now let's check the screen refresh rate of this one. Sometimes for me it feels smooth and sometimes it doesn't. Many of the mobiles enabled with low screen refresh rate even though they support higher. This one is in auto mode but I don't want it. I am changing to 120Hz. The touch response is good. It's smooth. In the future, I am planning to post a dedicated Realme UI features followed by this mobile camera, gaming, charging and full reviews. If in case you're watching this video lately, check out the description box, there you can find those videos. Come to the app bloatware. Some apps are useful and some don't. And some apps you can uninstall and some you can't. Let's quickly check the camera and samples of this one. Also, you can record a maximum of 1080p 30fps videos only in this one. No 4K or even 1080p 60fps option. These are some photo samples that I shot on this mobile in both nighttime and daytime conditions. Overall, what I observed is all photos are looking oversaturated and warm. Maybe you like them, but I want natural photos. These are the things you get in the box, and this is how the mobile looks like. In upcoming videos, I post all dedicated videos for this Realme 11x mobile. Stay tuned by subscribing to this channel.